Hi guys, Aniq here.
Ali here.
Welcome to K2M Unboxing and Reviews. Today we're going to be unboxing a 12-inch selfie ring light kit. Because of COVID, everybody has work from home. You're probably gonna need a webcam, and to get like the right image of yourself, you have to have a lighting, because that's pretty important for photography and like videos. So this is where this is gonna. So that's what this is gonna come in.
And for us, it's gonna be used in our studio. So right now we're using one ring light, which is up front, connected to the camera. Yeah.
So here's the box. It's pretty plain. On the side, all it says is made in China.
Oh.
And yeah, that's it. Let's open it now.
So there's the model number on the box also.
Yes.
So this, well.
Lots of things.
What's this? Cartel, conventional, quick, clever, easier to operate, cartel logo. What is this?
Okay, so let's, I guess, put this over here. So a lot of things came in the box, so let's show you guys. So first thing we'll see is the user's manual.
Yeah.
Here you guys can see it. User's manual. Let's see, there's a couple of things in here. So it shows how to install the phone clip. It has 3 brightness levels. I mean, 3 light modes: white, warm white, and warm yellow, and 10 brightness levels. It also shows how you're supposed to install the phone clip. I guess it's this one, the phone clip. Okay, so this is plugged in through USB. So it makes it easier for your laptop, I guess.
And this is a remote shutter. So this is a camera for, to take pictures. You just press this button and it does.
Yes, this is gonna take pictures easily.
Yeah.
Phone holder goes on top of there, and comes with a tripod and some other things. So yeah, let's put this here. Okay, let's now open up the light and the tripod. Just holding the tripod feels so light. I like that it comes in this bag, so it's easier for you to carry.
And this is another phone clip, but there's 2 of them.
I guess you can use them in 2 different ways. It's actually a pretty small tripod, yeah.
But who knows how big can it
extend? And this tripod is actually pretty good. It has this leveler, so then you know if it's leveled or not. So
right
you can just like. It's level now.
This is tiny.
Very tiny.
Very tiny.
It's just opening up on 1 level. This is level 1, and then there's like 3 others. This is small. It's good for like.
Light is pretty light. Wait.
The light is like very light.
I can hold it with my pinky, I bet.
Let's open it up. And
whoa, this
is the light.
So here's the USB.
Let's show them. Ali?
That's the light. Okay.
So Ali, you can tell them about the light.
So this is the USB. So here's the on and off, minus and plus brightness. And this is to just reset the light to default.
And it's powered by USB, so I guess you can just connect it to your computer. So now this is in, and you can attach a phone. Let me take my phone out. And we can attach this like...
Well, we need something to power this USB.
We can power this with a USB. Okay, we were able to plug it in. You guys can see over here. So we can turn it off. I can bring it down, which is going to make it at a lower brightness. Bring it up, which is going to bring it to a higher brightness. And if I press the restart one, it changes the color. So this is yellow, yellowish white thing, I think.
This is Bluetooth remote, which
warm white
can be paired to this.
And white, yellow, and soft white. Warm white. So this is actually a pretty good light. The only thing I don't like is how the phone goes. Oh, so let me show you guys. Okay, it's on the selfie thing, I think. No, it's pointing towards us, so if I click this, it took 1 picture. And Yeah, there it is. So now I can just like put this here and then I point it. I can just point it towards us too, but it covers the bottom. That's weird.
But you can do this.
We can't really like turn it around, can we? Can we like? We can also do this with the light if you want it to be from the top. You can just like position it towards the top, like that. What else can you do with this? Let's see. It's actually just a pretty simple light.
Yeah.
Turn it around.
There's the good thing. One thing that's a nice touch is this balance.
Yeah, the balance.
It's not needed, but they just added it for a good, like, it's an extra thing. But you don't need it that much.
So this is a pretty cool light. We like it. We're probably gonna be using this for our videos and stuff as like a side light.
Or a field light.
So thank you guys for watching this video.
Please like this video.
Remember to subscribe to our channel.
Remember to hit the bell icon.
Bye.